Let's make Greek bread, also known as Horiatiko Psomi. Start off by adding some bread flour, rye flour and semolina flour to a large mixing bowl. Follow this with some instant dried yeast, sugar and salt. Give it all a good stir to combine. Now, gradually add the tepid water until you have a rough, shaggy dough. This is what it should look like. Switch over to a spatula if you can to make your job a little bit easier and mix well. Now cover the bowl and let it rest for 15 minutes. Grab your handy spatula again and fold the dough from the outside into the center as I'm doing here. Rest this again for 15 minutes and repeat this step 3 more times. You will notice the dough becoming softer after each turn. Grab some plastic wrap and cover the bowl completely and allow the dough to rise anywhere between 4 and 24 hours. Gently scrape down the sides of the bowl to remove the spongy dough and place it on a lightly floured surface. To shape it, stretch it out to resemble a rectangle with the longer edge facing you. Fold it into the center, on top and the bottom, and repeat this with the right and left sides as well. Do this one more time. And just to remind you that the recipe is available on my blog, I'll have a link in the description below. Shape the dough into a ball and place it into a lined bowl. Cover and allow this to rest for anywhere between 60 and 90 minutes. It should have doubled in size. Preheat your oven with your oven-safe pot or Dutch oven and place the bread dough into it. Get fancy with a sharp knife and score some cool designs on top. Get creative and have some fun. Cover the pot and bake for a further 30 minutes. When you remove the pot, you'll see that the bread is partially cooked. It will be pale and that's perfectly fine. Place it back in the oven uncovered and bake for a further 20 minutes. Remove when golden brown, give it a good tap to hear a hollow sound, allow it to cool and slice and serve.